AI is exploding right now, and if you're not paying attention, you're missing out on some huge opportunities. Today, I'm taking you through the top AI crypto projects that are reshaping industries and offering incredible chances to get in early. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take advantage of these game-changing projects before the crowd does, and make the most of the AI revolution. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. None of this content is financial advice, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So, what does AI even have to do with crypto? Well, just like in every other industry, AI is making crypto smarter, more efficient, and more secure. By blending artificial intelligence with blockchain, we unlock powerful solutions like automation, predictive analytics, and even decentralized governance. And here's the exciting part. These projects aren't just theoretical. They're already making waves across multiple industries, and they are creating huge opportunities for those who find out about them early. And what's great about these projects is that you don't need to be a tech genius to see the potential or to understand them. So I'm going to break it all down, project by project, starting with one that's already making waves. By the way, I think the third project in this list is going to be an absolute game changer, but we'll come on to that. First up, we have Fetch.ai, a platform that enables autonomous agents to negotiate, collaborate, and trade value on behalf of users, completely without human intervention. Autonomous agent, you ask? Great question. Think of it like a self-driving car. Just like how a self-driving car makes decisions on its own, whether to stop, accelerate, or change lanes, an autonomous agent is a self-operating software entity. It can handle tasks like trading, transacting on a blockchain, or even optimizing supply chains. These agents learn from their environment, communicate with other agents, and make decisions in real time based on data. Imagine a world where your electric car automatically buys the cheapest energy or trades excess energy back into the grid, all without you lifting a finger. That's the future Fetch.ai envisions, and its blockchain-based system is powered by its native token, FET. How can you take advantage of Fetch.ai? If you're a business, integrating Fetch.ai's agents can streamline operations like supply chain management or energy optimization. For individual users, the potential lies in engaging with AI-driven services that could automate tasks like trading or managing energy consumption. Fetch.ai's platform allows businesses and developers to build on this technology, creating real-world applications that run autonomously. The more these use cases grow, the greater the demand for Fetch.ai's autonomous solutions. If you're interested in AI-driven automation, Fetch.ai is definitely a project to watch. Next is Ocean Protocol, which takes a completely different approach. It's all about making data accessible to AI models while keeping privacy intact. One of the biggest challenges in AI today is getting high-quality data without violating privacy regulations, and that's where Ocean Protocol comes in. Imagine you own a huge library filled with incredibly valuable private books, but you don't want anyone flipping through them and seeing all your secrets. Researchers are still willing to pay you handsomely for the information in your books to train the AI systems, and you are a savvy business person. So, instead of giving them the books, you let them use a robot that reads the books inside the library without ever letting them take the books off the shelf. Their robot processes the information and gives the researchers exactly what they need, but the original books, your data, stays untouched and secure. That's exactly what Ocean Protocol's compute to data does. It allows data owners to rent out access to their valuable data sets without ever exposing the raw data. Researchers or businesses get the insights they need, while the data remains secure and private, just like those books in your library. All of this happens through Ocean's decentralized marketplace, powered by the platform's native token, Ocean. Now, how can you get involved with Ocean Protocol? Well, there are a few ways. If you're a data owner, whether you work in healthcare, research, or finance, you can tokenize that data and make it available on Ocean's decentralized marketplace. This way, you can earn Ocean tokens for sharing access to your data, all while keeping it secure and private. For AI developers or data scientists, Ocean provides a marketplace where you can access high-quality data sets for training your models without ever compromising the privacy of that data. You get the insights you need, and the data owner's privacy stays intact. And even if you don't have data to share or use, you can still get involved by staking your Ocean tokens. By backing data sets you think will be valuable, you support the platform and earn rewards if those data sets become popular. So whether you're a data owner, data consumer, or someone looking to stake and support the ecosystem, Ocean Protocol offers exciting ways to engage in the world of decentralized, privacy-first data sharing. By the way, if you're finding this information on the top AI crypto projects useful, this is just the beginning of your journey into this incredible space here at Crypto Coast News. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay ahead of the curve on all things AI and crypto. We're here to help you discover the most exciting projects and get in early before the rest of the world catches on. Now, let's talk about Render, a project that connects people who need GPU power with those who have extra. If you know anything about AI, you'll know it requires a ton of GPU power provided by graphical processing unit chips, or GPU chips, whether it's for training AI models or creating complex effects. In fact, NVIDIA has become one of the most valuable companies in the world because of the colossal demand for their GPU chips, largely driven by AI's growth. But here's the thing, with the surge in AI, the price of these chips has skyrocketed. So instead of people having to buy expensive hardware, Render allows them to rent GPU power on demand. Artists, researchers, and even small businesses can rent GPU power from anyone with a gaming PC or a high-end server, all through Render's blockchain network. And their native token, Render, handles all the transactions. It's like Airbnb for GPUs, or should we say, Air GPU. Honestly, it is a disservice to their shareholders that they haven't hired me yet. So how can you get involved with Render? If you have access to a powerful GPU, whether through a gaming PC or a server, you can rent out your GPU power on Render's network and earn Render tokens in return. It's a great way to monetize hardware that you're not fully using. Kind of like renting out an extra room on Air GPU, but instead, you're renting out computing power. And for those who need GPU power, whether you're an artist working on complex 3D models, a researcher training AI models, or a small business handling visual effects, you can easily rent out GPUs on demand through Render, paying with Render tokens. Plus, even if you're not directly using or offering GPU power, you can still support the ecosystem by holding or staking Render tokens. As the demand for decentralized GPU power grows, Render's network has the potential to expand, making it a project to keep a close eye on. By the way, if you're interested in how to build a DeFi business that leverages AI technology like these, be sure to check out our exclusive Crypto Labs research course on how to build a cash-flowing DeFi business. The link is in the description below. Now, what good is AI if it can't access the right data? That's where the graph comes in. Think of the graph as the Google for blockchain. It allows developers to create and use subgraphs, which are open APIs that help retrieve blockchain data quickly and efficiently. This is crucial for decentralized applications and AI models. Imagine you walk into an extremely busy restaurant and instead of being seated with a menu, the host takes you straight into the kitchen and asks, "What do you want?" You'd have to figure it out by watching all the different chefs cook, and it would be pretty overwhelming. That's why restaurants give you this fantastic tool called a menu, which organizes dishes, appetizers, and entrees, making it easy to choose what you want. Subgraphs work in a similar way. Blockchain data is like that busy kitchen full of thousands of transactions happening all the time, and instead of manually searching through every transaction, developers use subgraphs, pre-built, organized menus that let them quickly access exactly the data they need. Whether it's prices, token transfers, or specific events, subgraphs help developers find blockchain data as easily as a menu helps you pick your meal. So how can you get involved with the graph? Whether you're a developer or just a crypto enthusiast, there are several ways to dive in. If you're a developer, you can use subgraphs to easily access blockchain data for your decentralized apps, or dApps. The graph makes it simple to query the exact data you need, whether it's for DeFi platforms, NFTs, or any other blockchain-based project. If you're not a developer, no worries. You can still get involved by staking the graph's native token, GRT, to support the network. By staking, you help indexers, people who organize and manage subgraphs, keep the data accurate and accessible. In return, you earn rewards in GRT tokens. And if you want to take it a step further, you can become a curator. Curators signal which subgraphs are the most valuable by staking GRT on them. If that subgraph becomes popular, you earn rewards for getting in early and supporting it. Whether you're building dApps, staking GRT, or curating subgraphs, the graph offers plenty of ways to get involved in powering the future of blockchain data access. Last but not least is Celestia. Unlike traditional blockchains that handle everything from transactions to consensus, Celestia focuses on providing a modular, scalable solution. AI applications can easily use Celestia's infrastructure to process large data sets, making it perfect for complex AI models. Now here's an analogy for you. Imagine you're playing SimCity, an excellent game by the way, and you're looking to build your perfect city, which, let's be honest, you'll probably destroy later on with an earthquake. Don't act like you never did that. But this time, the game offers you a pre-built infrastructure, roads, electricity and plumbing, all ready to go. All you have to do is focus on designing your buildings and neighborhoods however you want. That actually sounds like a pretty decent game. And once again, another set of shareholders being deprived of my genius. That's how Celestia works. It provides the infrastructure layer, the roads, electricity and plumbing of the blockchain world. Developers can then build their own blockchains on top, focusing on the specific features they need without worrying about the underlying infrastructure like consensus and data availability. By effectively handling the hard stuff, Celestia allows developers to create scalable and customizable blockchains with ease. So how can you get involved with Celestia? Just like a city needs both architects and supporters, Celestia's ecosystem offers several ways to participate. If you're a developer, you can use Celestia as the foundation to build your own custom blockchain. Instead of starting from scratch, you can leverage Celestia's infrastructure, its consensus and data availability layers, so you can focus on making your blockchain unique and scalable. It's perfect for developers who want to build fast and efficiently. But even if you're not a developer, you can still support the network by staking Celestia's native token, TIA. By staking, you help secure the network and ensure the infrastructure runs smoothly, much like investing in the foundation of a city to keep the roads and utilities functioning. In return, you earn rewards in TIA tokens. Celestia is also working to decentralize governance, meaning by holding TIA tokens, you'll have a say in how the network evolves in the future. Whether you're building, staking, or participating in governance, Celestia offers exciting ways to be part of the foundation for scalable, custom blockchain solutions. And there you have it. If you're excited about these AI crypto projects and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. These projects are just the beginning of what's possible when you combine artificial intelligence with decentralized technology. From smarter cities to autonomous trading, the future is already being built, and you have the chance to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the Crypto Labs research course linked below to learn how you can start building your own DeFi business. I'll see you in the next video.